Whole wheat date and walnut cake is a nutritious version of the classic date and walnut cake, where the whole wheat flour replaces refined flour for a healthier and more fiber rich base. The natural sweetness of dates pairs beautifully with the crunchy texture of walnuts, creating a deliciously balanced flavor in every bite. So let's take a look at the recipe. Take 1 cup of pitted dates in a heat-proof bowl. It should be around 25 to 30 dates. Pour over some hot milk and soak it for 1 hour. Then add it into a blender jar and blend into a smooth paste. If you are aiming for a lighter dairy-free version, then you can add hot water mixed with instant coffee powder instead of milk. In a separate bowl, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt and whisk it well. Pour the pureed dates to a large mixing bowl, add half a cup of sunflower oil or any odorless oil and mix until it's well combined. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to brighten the flavor. Then using a spatula, gradually fold in the dry ingredients until there are no lumps. Lastly, add some chopped walnuts and mix. Transfer the batter to an 8-inch loaf pan lined with parchment paper and smooth out the top with a spatula. What is real that I am following? I have to question everything. Lately, on the trail to understanding. Sprinkle some chopped walnuts on top, which is optional, but it does look great, so it's totally up to you. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack and let it cool completely. Slice into your desired sizes and enjoy. The cake is moist and soft, with the dates breaking into a sticky caramel-like texture that blends seamlessly with the nutty walnuts. It's perfect for a satisfying snack, breakfast, or an afternoon tea. You can wrap any leftovers tightly in plastic wrap or foil and store in an airtight container for up to 5 days or up to a week in the refrigerator. A detailed recipe is in the description box below. Do give it a try and let me know if you liked it. I come up with new recipes every week, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next one.